Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log into your WhatsApp accounts in one phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first thing that you can do is you can simply go ahead, access your app store, WhatsApp Business. Then you will be able to get this particular app called WhatsApp Business. Once you have simply installed, aka downloaded it, go ahead, tap on this open option. Now tap on this agree and continue, tap on allow. Right over here you can see, since I already have an account, it's showing that particular number of mine, but I would like to use my another account. For that, I'll tap on this use a different number. Now go ahead, enter your another number that you would like to use your WhatsApp Business on. Tap on next. Once you're done, you will get a verification code on it. Add the code, enter your name just like you created on your previous WhatsApp account. Simply go ahead, follow the prompts accordingly, and you will be able to log in, aka add another account on business just likewise over there. That is the way for you to use it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.